Everyone's got a business except you. Well, it seems like it anyway. You've probably been told to follow your passion, pick something trending, or just start something and see where it takes you. But none of that helps when every idea feels off, making it difficult or overwhelming to just pick one. You might be chasing freedom, but building a business that chains you to a laptop for 14 hours a day. You don't want to follow your passion wholeheartedly only to find out that there's no market for it. Nobody wants it. Or better yet, find out that your $1 million business idea really only has a $100,000 market potential. This is a very common mistake for new entrepreneurs. Choosing based on what's worked for someone else or waiting on that one big idea to just magically show up. Entrepreneurship doesn't work that way. And you deserve the perfect business for you. One that aligns with your skills and interests, one that is designed around your lifestyle goals, one that suits your risk tolerance, your time and your money availability, and one that has that market potential that you actually desire. And I'm going to show you how to actually find the perfect business idea for you. One. I could give you a laundry list of reasons why businesses fail, but at the top of that list is because you choose the wrong business idea, the wrong business for your strengths, your interests, your lifestyle, your goals, and most importantly, for the market. You don't want to follow your passion wholeheartedly only to find out that there's no market for it. Nobody wants it. Ignoring your own lifestyle needs. If you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind, then why would you start a business and set business hours at 9 to 5? Starting something that doesn't solve a clear problem. Jumping into a business model that you don't fully understand. Waiting on that one big idea to just magically show up. Entrepreneurship doesn't work that way. And you deserve the perfect business for you. One that aligns with your skills and interests, one that is designed around your lifestyle goals, one that suits your risk tolerance, your time and your money availability, and one that has that market potential that you actually desire. Because when you don't have these things, that's when you can't start because you don't have capital. That's when you're in the business and can't figure out what's wrong. That's when you decide that, you know what, I don't really like this business like I thought I would. So here you are. You need to start a business. You need the money. You need peace of mind. But you're guessing. You're taking a huge risk when you're guessing, looking for an idea that makes money. Huge risk. And that's where you get these terms about entrepreneurship. High risk, take the leap. That's where you get these terms from, because it's just guessing at your livelihood. And you don't have to do that. Not anymore. Not with No Boss. And instead, you need to choose a business idea that matches perfectly with you. All of those reasons are because of the preliminary steps that you could have and should have taken. Because the No Boss Hustle Finder, it's like a shortcut to self-awareness. It's based on your answers. It identifies what types of businesses actually match your skills and your energy, but also your lifestyle too. So it's all about the things that you want and you don't want. The No Boss Hustle Finder is the tool that will match your energy to your income, monetize what you're already good at, help you find that perfect business idea, then develop that clear concept so that you can validate that market and start making money on your idea. Think of it as a business vibe check. that meets your personality match. I created it for entrepreneurs who are ready to show up and build a profitable path, a path that fits who you are, how you think, and how you want to live. There's 4 things I want you to do. The first one is reflect. What are you actually good at? What do people come to you for? What can you actually commit to? That's really important, because if you don't like what you do, you're not going to do it for very long. I don't care how much money you make. You're not going to be miserable every single day just to make money. Research. What problem do people have in areas that you know about or actually care about? Rank those ideas rank them by profit potential. Rank them by your personal excitement. Rank them by time, freedom that you want. Do those 3 things. And then test small. I have a tool called the NOBOSS Business Builder. What it'll do is allow you to test ideas before you go all in. And you want to do that because, again, too often we start a business and find out it's not what we hoped it would be. Testing small is really important. Business Builder and Fast Money Game Plan. One that tells you exactly what to launch, promote, and sell while building a real income. The NOBOSS Business Builder and Game Plan gives you 6 months, no fluff plan to monetize your genius with digital products, workshops, and content your audience will actually buy. It will walk you through the real world, month-to-month steps of turning a small content-driven business into sustainable income engine. Not only is it implementation focused, but it aligns content creation, product launches, and revenue forecasting in a way that most workshops don't. NOBOSS is about planning, and this gives fast wins, clarity, and income momentum before you realize the deeper work. The NOBOSS Hustle Finder will make this super easy for you when it's paired with the Business Builder, so that you're not stuck spinning your wheels trying to figure out how to get the business off the ground. You give us the assessment, we'll give you the business ideas. You go through the ranking process and do the Business Builder and start testing the ideas and say, yeah, this is what I want to do. And this is how you find it. This is how you discover the best business for you. Check out the NOBOSS Hustle Finder. I've got the link in the description below. At NOBOSS, we teach that you start with clarity, cash, and confidence. Build it now. These 2, you've got something real. Don't lose it by winging it and guessing. For you to start making money on your business ideas right now. Because success starts with you. NOBOSS just helps you get there.